Hi all, it's Matt here from Campervan. Yeah. Hi all. We'll put that in the bloopers.
Get more bloopers than
I know.
Real footage now.
I know. Hi all, it's Matt here from Campervan. I can't even say Campervan today. Hi all, it's Matt here from Campervan Cookout. I hope you're well. We've been spending the week in South Devon, touring around in the campervan, having a great time. The weather's not been too good so far, but thankfully today the sun has shown itself, the skies are blue, and we've picked a lovely quiet spot to come and cook a spot of lunch before we carry on our travels.
What's the weather like? Is it breezy?
So chicken is one of those things that a lot of people are a little reluctant to cook on the barbecue or on the camper because it can be quite hard to get it cooked all the way through. Campervan stoves don't quite get as hot as the ones at home, so we're going to show you a little recipe and a little cheat that we use to make sure that our chicken is cooked all the way through, and also make sure it's lovely and tender as well. So come along with us and we'll show you what we've got in store. So at the moment we've got some potatoes on the boil ready to go. They need a little bit longer than our chicken will take to cook, so we've set those off going. We've got some lovely veg, some tender stem broccoli and some green beans ready as well, which you'll be able to see soon. The other ingredients, we've got some lovely on the vine tomatoes, which will be fantastic with this dish. You will need some garlic. It's always worth having a few of these bulbs in your van because you will use a lot of them if you're going to use any of our recipes. And then lastly some olives just to finish off the dish when we're done. So we've pre-prepared the chicken, or Vanessa has, can't take credit for this. So you'll see it's here in some greaseproof paper. It's been flattened absolutely like a pancake, and that's the secret really for cooking chicken in a campervan or cooking it on your barbecue. We actually went so far as to use the mallet that we used to put our tent pegs in, made sure it was clean of course. Really as simple as that. Just get it as flat as you can and you'll find it will be very tender and it will cook through really nicely. So the other things that we've added on here is some pepper, some salt, and then some fennel seeds, which again we've put on before we flattened it. Okay, so our veggies are cooked and we're going to start on the chicken now. So we're going to use a frying pan, but you can cook this if you've got a Cadac or any sort of barbecue. You can cook that on there just as easily. You need a hot pan for this, so we're going to let the pan warm up to let it get nice and hot. Okay, so we've let the pan warm up, that's getting nice and warm. We do tend to use spray oil. One, it makes sure that you don't use too much, and two, it's just very convenient and small to carry around in the van. So I'm just going to add some sunflower oil to the pan. Again, just to make sure that's nice and hot. Okay, so we're going to add our chicken now. So you can see, just peel it back. Okay, so at this stage we're going to stick some garlic. Chicken's starting to cook. We're going to put some garlic in the pan. We just peel it and crush it. We don't bother chopping it. We don't bother putting it through a garlic crusher. Just peel it, crush it with the back of your knife and add it to the pan. We've put 3 cloves in. If you want more, you can add more. But 3 is enough for us. Okay, so chicken's starting to cook nicely. You can see it going white from the bottom up. We're just going to turn it. Lovely, and now we're going to add the tomatoes and some of the lovely black olives. Don't forget to take your rubbish with you as well. Don't leave anything behind. Okay, so we've just checked the chicken, the juices are running clear, which means it's cooked. Our tomatoes have split, which shows that they're cooked as well, so it smells fantastic. I wish you could smell this. So it's time to dish up.